Hey, what's up guys? Today in this video I'm going to show you new animated awesome AOD clocks for your Galaxy device, and this is absolutely free. So let's begin. Okay guys, before start, first disable your system AOD like this and download this app on your Galaxy device. This app download link available on description. First open this app, set some permissions. Now look at these many beautiful animated clocks, and guys, most important thing about this app, update different new AOD clocks on this app. Look at this is home page, and simply tap on collection and remember turn on always on display, and look at these many beautiful live animated clocks on this app. Many beautiful animated clocks on this app. Look at this. Simply tap on apply and this AOD clock apply on your Galaxy device. And guys, no any battery effect on your Galaxy device with this AOD. Okay, let me show you how to add updated new clocks. Simply tap on home and look at this. Simply find clocks. Choose any clock. Look at this. If you want to add this clock on your AOD, then simply tap on space, tap on yes space, sign in with Google, after sign in, simply tap again on space, tap on yes space. Look at this clock, add, simply tap on space button and simply tap on apply again, and look at this animated clock apply on your AOD. Okay, let me show you customize options. Go to collection and look at these all customization options available on this app. Background, guys, you also set GIF, image, live wallpaper, video wallpaper on AOD. Date, battery, memo, all customization options on this app. If you want to customize separate AOD, then simply tap on edit AOD and look at this. You also set colors, simply tap on apply and this clock apply on your Galaxy device. Okay, let me show you another clock. So guys, you also install this new AOD clocks on your any Galaxy device. I hope you enjoy this video. If you have enjoyed this video, then like, share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching guys. See you in next video. Bye bye.